Sometimes we feel tired with our job, problem in life. But we must fight that fear and never give up. Because our life just like a jigsaw puzzle, and you must believe that you can solve it.
In this video, I would like to share with you guys on how to make a short film using a smartphone. So, first thing first, before you're making of any short film, it starts with an idea, discussion, and also brainstorming. It can help bring out good ideas from the basic of any movie. In this part, you must elaborate your ideas by research and ideas on internet or some books. It can help you make a great and interesting storyline. With the help of these ideas, you can start to writing a story. Writing a story is an imaginative job. Next step, after the storyline done, we can draw the storyboard which follow the flow of your story. Have you read a comic? It just looks like a comic. It's also called as a visual storytelling. The golden rules for a great storyboard is simple. A good storyboard is one that you can watch, can absolutely experience beyond just what the camera angle is and what happens, what the dialogue use, what the lighting light it needs, to all of the details that you would need in a short film.
The storyboard is important for me because the storyboard is a way to visualize the entire movie in advance.
Moreover, the storyboard can save your crew's time to shoot on the set. Step number 3, write the script. Okay, so the script can be written by using your storyline and also your storyboard. Not only that, you also can separate the script scene by scene. It can help you when on shooting and also help the editor to make a subtitle. After that, location scouting is most important for your short film. Locations are searched and selected according to your story.
If you survey your location early, it can help you draw a storyboard and what camera angles can you use.
After complete all of the steps before, you can start filming your short film. Director plays an important role in the filming of the short film.
I always check every my footage and I shoot again and again if the footage not perfect for me.
Last but not least, editing the film. After finish filming, you can editing your short film. Video and audio are added. Some effects are added to make the video look nicely.
I edit my short film on my phone using the KineMaster apps. and a cup of coffee because this part made me very sleepy and very stressed.